Haan Sv-60 Hard Floor Steam Vacuum Cleaner. The Haan Sv-60 is perfect for individuals who want the best possible cleaning system for their floors. Not only does this machine suck up dust, debris, pet fur, and other dirt, but the 212-degree Fahrenheit cleaning system sanitizes floors and leaves them sparkling clean. In fact, the steam kills 99.9% of household germs, including E. coli, salmonella, dust mites, and more, all without the use of harsh chemicals. It uses regular tap water that heats in 40 seconds and will allow 40 minutes of cleaning time per tank of water. It also has a HEPA filter to reduce allergens and comes with a 1-year warranty. Product features: product dimensions 9 by 11 and 3/5 by 49 and 1/5 inches. Product weight 8 pounds. HEPA filter. Water heats in less than 40 seconds. 40 minutes of cleaning time per tank. Floor protector pad and microfiber cleaning pad included. 1500 watts of power. 1-year warranty. Customer reviews. The reviews of the Haan Sv-60 are varied in that many people simply loved the product, while about the same amount thought it was above average but not perfect. Some people thought that this machine was disappointing. Customers say that this machine works very well and cleans perfectly, although the cord is a little too short and some people find it difficult to get under their cabinets with the steam cleaner. Overall, based on the customer reviews of this product, we would recommend researching fully before purchasing. But this product can be great for those who want superior cleaning with no chemicals.